Hello friends, welcome to BYGRAYPS Direct Current Affairs Foundation Notes for UPSC IAS. Today we will discuss from Animal Science and Ecology, Sensing Electric Fields, Peacock Mantis Shrimp, from Technology, Light Colored Turmeric Variety, Geosynthetics, from Scheme, the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, for economic cryptocurrency regulations, for internationals, pathogen access and benefit sharing systems. Dear students, before we further go to discussion of topics, let's discuss regarding approach of UPSC current affairs preparation. When you read news, even if you read 4 hours or 2 hours, your contribution will be 1% only, and market magazines also contribute just 1%. You need to have integrated news foundation course where current affairs weightage is 80 to 90%, and if you don't have foundation of those things, you will be in loss. So when you do foundation of those news, that becomes 90%. Instead of reading news and magazines, you can directly go for news foundation where things will be together in integration with foundation. The topic: statements regarding sensing electric fields. Here sharks, bees and platypus can sense electric fields. Second one, fruit fly larvae can also sense electric fields, navigate towards the negative electric potential. Here the fruit fly at the right corner picture. Here the shark, which can also sense electric fields. Platypus can also sense electric fields. So here the first statement is correct regarding the ability of sensing electric fields, and which will help in navigating. Second, fruit fly, which is the right corner picture shown in, can also sense electric field and navigate towards the negative electric potential. So fruit fly also have that ability to sense electric field for navigation. So this statement is also true. Few species also known to navigate towards the sunlight, where the light is towards that section they can navigate. So this is the different unique features in animals in terms of navigation. So this is your direct exam template and direct topic, direct foundation. Consider statements regarding peacock mantis shrimp. First, it is native to epipelagic sea bed across the Indo-Pacific, ranging from the Marianas to East Africa. Second, it repeatedly delivers blunt force to the exoskeleton of its prey until it can gain access to the underlying soft tissue for what? For consumption. So these two statements regarding peacock mantis, you need to identify whether it is true, whether false. First statements, it is correct. It is regarding native to seabed mostly, and regions of Indo-Pacific ranging from Marianas to East Africa. And the second one is its behavior, where it delivers blunt force on it prey's exoskeleton, which is hard. When it applies blunt force, it gains access to soft tissue underlying it. You can see the picture here, left corner, how it gains access to soft tissue by applying blunt force on prey. So this statement is also true. With reference to light colored turmeric variety, first statement, the Indian Institute of Spices Research Kozhikode has developed a new light colored turmeric variety. First one. Second is it is developed for specifically for the masala industry. Third, and this new variety is IISR Surya, features a light colored rhizome that meets specific needs of what? Modern powdering industry. So it is designed for meeting specific needs of market. This is what they want to say. The fourth one is the new variety name is IISR TR24. Select the correct answer. Here the answer is first option is right. It is developed by Indian Institute of Spices Research, Kozhikode, and the second one is specifically developed for masala industry. It is right. And this variety name is IISR Surya. It is right statement. And it is to meet the needs of modern powdering industry. So fourth variety name is wrong. So here answer is B. 1, 2, 3. So these statements are regarding turmeric variety developed by Indian Institute of Spices Research. Here they regarding Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. It is actually aims to address kind of gaps in fish productions, productivity and its quality, and what kind of technology it is using, and managing post-harvest high infrastructures and strengthening entire value chain so that they can reap the benefits. Select the applications of geosynthetics. First, enhancing soil reinforcement, controlling erosion, cost-effective solution for infrastructure projects, road construction, railway projects, waste containment. Seventh, wetland restoration. So these 7 points are like presented to state that these are the applications of geosynthetics. So answer is B. All these applications are of geosynthetics, whether it is for controlling erosion, road construction, other wetland restoration and all. Here the statements regarding cryptocurrency regulations. First statement states that the India cryptocurrency is illegal. Second, it states that US, European Union, Australia, Canada, Japan have established frameworks for regulating cryptocurrency exchanges. Third statement says in India cryptocurrency is regulated. So answer is here second statement is correct. US, European Union, Australia, Canada, Japan have established framework for regulating these cryptocurrency exchanges. But in India it is legal, but the India regulations are not in place. So it is not illegal. So first statement is wrong. Though RBI banned use of cryptocurrency initially, afterwards Supreme Court undone this kind of decision and then made usable cryptocurrency. But still we are evolving to make or bring some full-fledged regulations for cryptocurrency. So here the third statement is wrong, saying that India cryptocurrency is regulated. We are still in process. So second statement is correct, option C. Here regarding pathogen access and benefit sharing system, it says that World Health Organization members approved this and aimed at allowing shift sharing of pathogen data with pharmaceutical companies so that they can enable quick start working on pandemic fighting products, that means vaccine and all. and this data sharing is what crucial in kind of pandemic times. And availability of data only enables making of new vaccines and all. Without that, it is impossible to make these things.